It is Friday, April 14th here in Navarre. Seems like the storm that we had earlier this week is moved through. The water looks a little murky still. The waves are still a pretty big size. It is a nice day out. Lots of people out here. Plenty of fishing going on. Yesterday the beach was pretty flat after the waves came up so high. And at least for the moment it's still kind of that way, where the water comes up pretty flat onto the beach. The sand is pretty well packed here. Makes for very good beach walking today.